Hi dear students, most welcome to today's class. I am sure that all of you are healthy and doing well, and hope you are doing well. Today we are going to start a new subject and a very interesting subject. But before starting new subject, I would like to ask you a question. Do you know rational numbers? Yes, you know rational numbers. Definition you have studied in previous lessons. But today we are going to study more about rational numbers. Okay? Rational numbers. You studied the definition of that, and today for having more information, we are doing some examples, or we are showing some examples for you. Let's get started. Okay, the first one. Who can tell me that is 3 a rational number? Who can tell me? You? Yes. Is it a rational number? Yes, of course. It is a rational number. Why? Because 3 can be written as 3 over 1. And it has exact value. Now, 2.5 is clear? Yes. Okay, if it is clear, is it a rational number? Of course, it is a rational number. We can say that 2.5 is a rational number. And also, I told you that 3.3333 and 3 ... is also a rational number. Okay, how about negative number? Is -2 over 5 a rational number? Yes, it is a rational number because after the decimal we have exact number. Exact number. It means that after the decimal, the number of numbers are defined or clear. But how about 22 over 7? Is it a rational number? I'm sure that you say no, because after the decimal, the numbers are undefined. What is after 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, and maybe it's many more numbers. So it is not a rational number. If the number is not rational, what do you call that? Yes, that is called a rational number. Okay, now we are going to study rational numbers on the number line. Are you ready? Let's get started. Example 1. By 3 examples, you have to understand how to show the numbers on the number line. Okay? Example 1. Show 3 over 4 on the number line. It's very simple. How? Is 3 over 4 less than 1? Yes, because denominator is greater than numerator. So the number is less than 1. Okay, if it is less than 1, it means that because it is positive, it means that this rational number is between 0 and 1. Now, because denominator is 4, we have to divide from 0 to 1 in how many parts? Yes, 4 subunits or 4 parts. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. It means that we divided from 0 to 1 into 4 parts. How many parts we should take? 3. It means 3 over 4 is in here. Now, example 2. Show -3 over 5 on the number line. It's also very simple. How? Because it is negative, we have to come to the negative side. Okay. Again, denominator is less than numerator. It means it is less than -1. Okay, because denominator is 5, we have to divide into how many parts? Excellent. 5 parts. And how many parts we should take? 3. So it is, in here we have -3 over 5. Did you understand? Yes. Let's get started to do example 3. Show 5 over 3 on a number line. Look at this. Okay? Let's get started. First, we have to, because denominator is less than numerator, we have to do as a mixed number first. How? We divide 5 over 3. 5 over 3 is 1. 1 multiplied 3 is 3. What is the remainder? 2. It means that we can write as a mixed number. 5 over 3 is equal to, a whole number is 1. And what is the fraction? 2 over 3. 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So it means 5 over 3 is equal to 1 plus 2 over 3. And we can show now 1, 2 over 3 on the number line. 1 is whole number. 1 is whole. It is a complete. And from the next, how many parts we should take? We should divide from 1 to 2 into 3 parts. 1 part, 2 part, and 3 parts. How many parts we should take? Only 2 parts. It means in here we have 5 over 3. Okay, dear students, now we are going to study comparing rational numbers. Okay, we can compare the rational numbers. We divide this lesson into 2 parts. First, positive rational numbers. Okay, in this we studied 3 types of rational number which are positive. Rational number with common denominator. It means the denominators are equal. Rational numbers with common numerator. It means numerators are equal. Rational numbers with different denominator and numerator. It means they are different. Okay, how to arrange these positive rational numbers? If denominators are equal, the rational number with the biggest numerator is greatest number. In here you see that denominator are equal. So which one is the biggest from here? From these 3, which one is the biggest rational number? Yes, 15 is the biggest. After that, 6 is the biggest. After that, 3 is the smallest. It means that 15 over 5 is greater than 6 over 5, greater than 3 over 5. Or we can write in reverse. How? 3 over 5 is less than 6 over 5, less than 15 over 5. Now, with common numerator, smallest denominator rational numbers are greatest. Smallest denominator. In here, example, 2 over 3 is greater than 2 over 5, greater than 2 over 15. Because it has a smallest denominator. When numerators are equal, smallest is the biggest. Okay, rational numbers with different denominator and numerators. First, we equalize the denominator or numerator. It means we make similar. We make same numbers. Numerator, then apply one of the above rules. If you make the denominators equal, or if you make the numerator equals, you can do these rules. An example for you. In here, we have 2 rational numbers, 2 over 5 and 3 over 10. We want to compare them. At first, I did LCM of 5 and 10. It means I want to make the denominators equal. 5 and 10, LCM of these 2 numbers is how much? 10, you know, because you studied LCM. Okay, I took the 10 from these 2 fractions. How many fractions? How many rational numbers do we have? 2. Okay, 10 and 10, because we have 2 rational numbers. Okay, at first I do this. 10 over 5 is how much? 2. 2 multiplied 2 is 4. Now 10 over 10 is how much? 1. 1 multiplied 3 is 3. What do you think? These denominators are equal. It means this one is the biggest. When this is the biggest, what is the first fraction? What is the first rational number? 2 over 5 is the biggest. It means this is the biggest rational number. Okay, dear students, now negative rational numbers. We are going to compare negative rational numbers. It is exactly inverse of positive rational numbers. I am sure that you know the rules of positive rational numbers that you studied before. Rational numbers with common denominator. Because denominators are equal, in here, which one is the biggest? The small one is the biggest. But in positive, the biggest one was the biggest. Okay? Minus 3 is greater than minus 4 greater than minus 5. It means that these rational numbers are in this order. Rational number with common numerator. It means numerators are equal. This is inverse of positive number. Okay, which one is greatest? What do you think? Exactly. Minus 4 divided by 10 is greatest. Minus 4 divided by 10 is greatest. And after that, minus 4 divided by 6. After that, minus 4 divided by 5. And the last one, rational numbers with different denominator and numerator. So we have to equalize. For example, I equalized what? The denominator. After that, 10 in number 1, rational number 1. 10 divided by 5 is how much? 2. 2 multiplied 2 is minus 4. 10 divided by 10 is how much? 1. 1 multiplied minus 3 is how much? Minus 3. What do you think? If we compare these two, which one is greatest? Yes, minus 3 over 10 is greatest. It means rational number 2 is greatest. Or we can say in here, rational minus 3 over 10 is the greatest. It was all for today, and I am sure that you practice a lot. You will practice a lot and study more in order to remember forever. Best of luck. See you and goodbye.